अस्सलाम वालेकुम, अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीवन। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी गुलसिता हमारा। Today we have gathered here to celebrate our Independence Day. It is the day to celebrate the fact that there is no nation like ours in the whole world. There is unity in diversity, which makes our country a unique place to live. We have made a lot of progress in various fields. It is the time to celebrate this progress. On the occasion of Independence Day, a lot of programs are organized. On this day, we must pledge for a bright future of our country. It is the most important day to remember what the great freedom fighters did for our nation. This is the day to pledge that we will always protect the pride and honor of our mother nation. So on this day, let us pledge to make India a better and safer place to live. I would like to end my speech with these couplets of Urdu. सबसे अच्छा सबसे न्यारा, रंग बिर का प्यारा प्यारा, कौम की उम्मीदों का सहारा, देश दुलारा जग उजियारा, दिल की ठंडक आँख का तारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। थैंक यू।